Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a soggy look at Grants Pass. That rain and snow continue to push inland here in southern Oregon, northern California. Here's a look at the radar. Starting to get the leading edge of some showers moving into the Medford area. Steady rain in Grants Pass, but higher elevations are seeing snow. And notice how those snow levels dropping, more white showing up across the coastal mountains. Let's zoom in here to some of our traffic cameras. This is a look at the Sexton Summit where we are now seeing snow. So if you have to travel north on I-5, probably don't want to do that anymore because we are going to start to see that snow accumulate as we head deeper into this evening and overnight. Here's a look at the Canyon Mountain Summit. Heavy snow falling there right now, and we are getting travel impacts. Here's a look at Hayes Hill. Right now looks like rain may start to be changing over to snow. Temperatures are just above freezing, so we are likely going to see impacts from snow for Hayes Hill and also the rest of the Illinois Valley, and including Cave Junction as those snow levels drop. Here's a look at the big picture. Pretty quiet along the Cascades, Siskiyous, and then also east of the Cascades into Northern California, but that will be changing as the night goes on. Winds are very gusty, up to 46 miles per hour in Montague and 41 miles per hour now, the latest report in Klamath Falls. Winds will peak for inland areas overnight tonight. And as that precipitation moves on in, that's going to be a big concern when it comes to the snow and the wind, leading to blowing snow and maybe even knocking some more trees down. That has been an issue the last few days. Here's a look at those high wind warnings that are in place for the area. These areas could see gusts up to 60 to 65 miles per hour, and we do have wind advisories, including for the Rogue Valley. The Rogue Valley wind advisory, mainly for the Ashland area, goes until 10 o'clock this evening. So road conditions going to go downhill across the region through the overnight hours. By Thursday morning, could see very difficult to even dangerous travel conditions, especially in the Mount Shasta area where we are expecting upwards of 2 feet of snow, but also along the Cascades, Siskiyous, and even snow impacts for our lower passes. We have winter storm warnings for parts of Siskiyou County, including the Mount Shasta area. And also, we do have winter storm warnings out for the coastal mountains and the Illinois Valley. Several inches of accumulating snow expected. Widespread winter weather advisories through 4 p.m. tomorrow. Includes westside areas above 2,000 feet in Jackson County, and then also those I-5 passes that are already seeing snow. But we may see some adjustments in these. We're going to watch snow levels very closely tonight. For the most part, it does look like the valley floors, including Medford and Grants Pass, may be rain, but there could be a change over to snow. It's something we're going to watch very closely as we head through tonight into tomorrow morning. And then you can see widespread rain and snow that will continue through much of the day tomorrow. Big travel impacts, work and school for your Thursday, even still some impacts heading home as well. And then we'll have a few lingering rain and snow showers on into Friday. Snow amounts significant for Crater Lake and Mount Ashland, 12 to 18 inches. Higher mountain passes, including the Siskiyou Summit, as well as Lake of the Woods, 8 to 12 inches. Lower I-5 passes, 3 to 6 inches. Could be locally more. And then also the Rogue Valley, likely less than an inch, but again, we are going to have to watch those snow levels closely overnight. And then for Northern California, Mount Shasta area, a lot of snow, upwards of 2 feet in some spots. The Shasta Valley, including Wairika, about 3 to 6 inches of snow. The weekend, another storm system on Saturday that will impact the Rogue Valley, but that system looks a lot weaker. Also, snow levels will be a bit higher. 7-day forecast for the coast. A very active stretch of weather continues with more rain in the forecast. Snow in the coastal mountains into tomorrow. Northern California accumulating snow. Very difficult travel whether you're heading north or south on I-5 tonight into tomorrow. For the Klamath Basin, we will see some more snow later tonight into tomorrow, about 3 to 6 inches with locally higher amounts, especially up towards Chemult. The Cascades and Siskiyous, more difficult travel through our passes with snow and wind. And then for the Rogue Valley, rain and snow. We'll have to watch the radar very closely. We'll have updates coming up tonight at 11, and we'll keep everyone posted on air online as this big area of rain and snow works on in.
All right, busy night for you tonight.
Yes,
Thanks very much.